WhatsApp Switch account. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the WhatsApp application on your device. Make sure that you're logged into your account. Now, in order to switch your accounts for different accounts on simple WhatsApp application, simply tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner. Next, tap on the settings applications and scroll down to tap on the account option. Now, remember that in order to switch your accounts, you need to have more than one account that you have associated with your WhatsApp application. So, I already have another account over here, so I do not have the option of add account. I only have the option of remove account. So all you have to do is just add account and add the number, and you just get the verification code which you need to verify, after which you can just go back and then go back again and tap on three dotted lines and then tap on switch accounts. As you tap on switch accounts, you'll be able to easily switch to your other account on WhatsApp. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.